Welcome to the final days. Today is Tuesday, August 15th, 2023. Today we will be viewing FAA weather camera videos that show two different planets in a stable orbit around the Earth. We will be calculating the approximate size and distance of one of the two planets. Also, the Lord wants me to share some very important words, so please watch till the very end of this video. The purpose of this channel is to show viewers that we are living in the very last days according to the Holy Bible. Our first set of images was taken by the west-facing FAA weather camera located in Seeley Lake, Montana, just the day before yesterday on August 13th. As you can see on this map, Seeley Lake is located in the northwestern quadrant of the state of Montana. Each image in these videos is 10 minutes apart. We don't see much here in these images because the atmospheric chemicals in this area of Montana are so thick that they are blocking out everything that you and I are not supposed to see. Even with contrast applied, it's difficult to see the large close planet that's actually right there smack in the middle of this image. In the last few frames, it completely disappears into the atmospheric chemicals, out of sight. However, only 48 miles away is Missoula, Montana, where the atmospheric chemicals were not as thick the day before yesterday. By road, it's an 81-mile drive from Seeley to Missoula, but in a straight line, it's only 48 miles away. This same celestial object is much more clear when viewed from Missoula, Montana, only 48 miles away. Viewability of these objects depends upon the thickness of the atmospheric chemicals. Back to the Missoula, Montana video. Here we see a very detailed celestial object with a fast rotation and very obvious craters. We know this cannot be a lens flare of the sun because of its fast rotation and heavily textured surface. These are signs that we are living in the very, very last days. We're living in the very last minutes of the last days. This object can be seen from many FAA weather cameras, including Mississippi, Colorado, Alaska, and other FAA camera locations, as we've seen in the past several times. This object was proven to be between the moon and the Earth in our video from February 5, 2022. It is eclipsing both the moon and the sun daily, as shown in that video from February 2022. That same video explains in detail how daily eclipses occur, but no one sees it. Here's a close-up of that same object, viewed from Missoula, Montana.